Here's I will show you how to disable notifications for secure folder in your Android phone. So here's my secure folder. I'm going to opening the secure folder first of all. And now from secure folder, tap on this three dot and here tap on settings and you directly jump into secure folder settings. Here tap on notifications. Now tap on app notifications. And here you will find all of your added secure apps. Now for example, I don't want to get any notifications for this quick share app, so I'm going to turning off notification for this app. That's so you can go ahead and disable notifications for each and every app. And here's another way to disable notification for a specific app. Just long press on the app in secure folder and here tap on this I button and here tap on notifications and just disable notifications for the specific app. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.